Yeah, you're embarrassing yourself. Stop.
No, I'm not embarrassing myself. Mom, on Snow Isle, and you guys arrested me.
On Thanksgiving morning, this wealthy Range Rover driver thought the rules didn't apply to her. She tried to plow through a 5K race course, but the police were waiting.
Stop her. Shut the car off, ma'am. Shut the car off.
It's freaking Thanksgiving. I just got a divorce. My daughter's not with me.
Can you step out the car, please?
What in the this? I'm trying to get home.
Step out the car, please, ma'am.
Yes, sir. What? No, what are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Somebody come to your car for you?
No, I don't have anybody. Okay. You guys, please don't. I just got a divorce. I'm trying to move. Please don't do this. What are you doing? I'm just trying to go to my gas station.
You pulling out? Which one?
You gonna have enough time?
To it. Yeah.
You gonna back up?
Yeah.
Did she make it or no?
Yep, she's going this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Do me a favor, I'm gonna pull her car over here. I'll take care of the paperwork. Just okay.
You're arresting me for stupid run.
Jennifer.
Please let me out. Please let me out.
Let me get your pepper spray.
Yep.
If you do that, I'm gonna pepper spray you. You got me?
I mean, I f***ing turd.
I'm going to pepper spray you.
Dude, I live in a $3 million house down the street.
Just hear
Can
me
you
out.
write me up?
Hear me this.
My daughter, I'm gonna lose my daughter today.
Listen to me carefully.
Look at this.
If you kick the window,
That's my head. I didn't kick the window.
Whatever you do, you bang your head in the window. If you don't sit here properly, I'm going to.
How long are we doing this for?
You've been warned. Okay?
How long has this been for?
Until I'm done doing what I need to do, ma'am. All right? I'll come talk to you in a second.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to endanger anybody, but the police officer on the other.
Apology accepted.
But the guy on the other side told me to beat the runners over.
Listen to me.
Like,
Hear me.
this
Stop.
is hurting.
I need to bring it down. Listen.
This is killing
I'll
me.
intercept for you. Hear me out. All right? Right now you're at level 10. I need you to bring it down to a 2.
Here's the level 2. Ready? I was trying to go to the gas station this morning, and I can't get off my neighborhood.
I promise you I'll come talk to you, all right? But what I need you to do is don't bang your head in the window. Don't kick anything. I need you to sit here. You're in handcuffs. You're arrested, all right? I can't change that. It is
For
what
what?
it is. Fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. If you continue to do that, I'm telling you,
Fuck my life!
you're gonna.
You don't get what I just went through, like at all. I just want to fucking go home. You don't get it. I went through a 3-year divorce. The fuckface took all my money. I'm fighting for my kid back. I mean, I do not deserve this.
Listen, I'm sorry that you had to go through that.
Like, I'm gonna lose my daughter today too.
Well, all right. This isn't gonna get you out of it. This isn't gonna get you out of
Help me though. This is hurting. Look at my arms.
Hey, ma'am.
Look, you're killing me. You're killing me. This is so tight. I'm a resident of this
I'm
neighborhood.
trying to adjust it for you.
I'm a resident of this neighborhood. Can I stand up?
No, turn around. If you want me to adjust it for you, you gotta turn around.
Ow! Oh my God! You're so tight.
I'm trying to adjust.
Please let me out of this fucking shit.
You're not on time.
Are you taking me all the way to jail? Can we just get this over with because I'm gonna lose my daughter today? I haven't seen her in 3 weeks and I'm supposed to see her this morning.
Stop. Hey, ma'am, are you the registered on the vehicle?
I think so.
What's your first name?
Ashley groups who I just divorced.
Please spell your first name.
Ashley! With 2 E's. Can I get out of here?
Stop screaming.
Can I stand up? I'm having an anxiety attack.
Making a scene.
Can you
I am making a scene. This is my fucking neighborhood. I'm a Snow Isle resident. I live in a $3 million house with these assholes.
told you
No,
stop.
you did not.
Get back in the car now. Back in the car. Get back in the car.
Let me out.
The Range Rover there out west, I guess she backed into a stop sign over at 2-7 in one area. And she went from there for across the park.
Do me a favor. I got a lot going on here with her. She's not being cooperative. Get a zone unit out there to do the hit and run on that. Have them do the tickets or whatever else, and affidavits. I'm 15 with her. Have them give me a call. Give them my number or whatever, and I'll coordinate that with them. Just do me a favor. Get on channel. Tell them. Give them the situation or whatever. Have them build a call. Have a zone unit handle that. And I'm taking care of the fleeing and looting and everything else. All right, thanks. Thanks, bye.
Thank you guys for watching out. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Good luck to the Bills today.
Thank you.
Call a lawyer? Can I call my attorney? Can I call my attorney?
Not right now.
I have an attorney though. I need to call them. I have the right to talk to them.
You're not being questioned at this time.
I have a right to talk to my attorney. Right? I have a right to talk to my attorney.
License is good?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, valid license.
Please! Please! Please let me out! I need to talk to my attorney! Please, he's in my phone. You can call him for me. Please?
I need you to calm down.
I need to call my attorney though. Please, I need help. Please, I have the right to have my attorney. Right? I have the right to speak with my attorney.
So hear me
To
out.
represent me.
Are you going to allow me to explain to you? Okay. Your charges are this, as of now. There may be more. Fleeing and looting, hit and run because you hit a stop sign, reckless driving, and obstruction. Alright? Those are your charges, alright? I would love to talk to you about it, alright? If you would like your attorney present, then I cannot talk to you about it. Would you like that, your attorney?
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are.
Yes, I need my attorney.
Okay, so I won't ask you any questions, alright? When you go to jail, you can phone your lawyer there. Alright, ma'am?
Are we going now?
No.
Why are you doing this to me?
Calling off. Alright.
I adjusted that the best I could, and then you tried to get out the car. I can't do it anymore, ma'am. Sorry.
Just relax, alright?
I know, pepper spray does that. After a while, the effect wears off.
The best way to have the pepper spray wear off is just by air. Alright, so I'll turn the air conditioning up for you. And that way, it might burn a little bit, but that's normally.
Hey, miss. Is there anyone that can come pick up your vehicle?
I don't have any money.
Alright, it's gonna get towed then.
No, I will call somebody. Can I call my lawyer? Can I call my brother real fast? Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
Was it Santiago that said she was fleeing from?
No,
You did? I heard somebody, I just didn't know who it was.
Glasgow said, hey, she's driving reckless, where she came out hot. I mean, like, steaming through, there's runners coming. So we stopped, we said, hey, and then she was like, give me the ticket. So give me a license registration. She just hit the gas, fled, and she fled from Peters, and then...
So I said, I'm surprised she actually stopped here. I heard her revving all the way down.
Ray Fish said next horse.
Spray? Did you spray?
Ma'am, stop that.
Ma'am?
You're gonna get sprayed again.
Stop! This is inhumane, dude!
Don't break his window.
Officer, this is so tight.
It's not tight. You can fit a finger in them.
Oh, God.
Our policy, we should be able to fit one finger in the handcuffs, and we can. You're just moving around too much. Just sit still. We'll be done shortly. As soon as the race is over. That's it.
Hey, what's up, buddy? You're doing a hit and run on that, right? Cool. Can you do me a huge favor? All I need you to do, I sent her info. Can you knock out a citation for hit and run, one for reckless driving, right?
We can call him in a minute.
And then one for fleeing and eluding, please. And just give me that citation for the fleeing and eluding, the citation number.
Ma'am, do you need us to call your ex-husband? Ma'am? Okay, are you giving me access to go into your phone? Huh? I have your phone. Do you want to give me your passcode? Hold on, I'm trying to...
The fleeing and eluding, if you could assist me with that.
Yeah.
And then
All
you could do
right,
the reckless
phone
driving
number?
over here.
813?
Just north with the coffee pot and the Stanley Bridge.
843?
You're speeding down there and just hit.
4543.
So reckless driving there. They hit. Hey, just for purposes there, she fled from. She was observed driving reckless. Glasgow. We all observed her driving reckless coming down. We stopped her, asked for license, registration. She hit the gas. She fled. And then what happened with you?
So you guys are calling down on the radio. I turn around to look at the Snow Isle Bridge, and here comes the white Range Rover, which I'm seeing over there.
How was she driving?
She was driving fast, man. She was flying.
And there were people already on the course and stuff like that too. So
yeah, the race had already started. So as she's coming across the bridge, I'm not in the center of the road, but I'm not where she should be able to see me. I'm giving her commands, saying stop the car, yelling, so my throat hurts at this point. She comes past me, and she already had the window down. She looks right at me, and she just gives me this left hand in the air going, what? And looks at me and keeps on going.
And you had your marked car there and everything else, lights were on?
Yep.
Okay.
Bond's marked car was there, my marked car was there, lights were flashing.
Cones are in the road and everything else?
Cones are looking at, I'm wearing this, and she's looking right at me, just keeps on going.
Gotcha. But do me a favor, could you cut me a follow-up to that? I appreciate it.
Just curious how many
charges?
Yeah, you're going to do separate ones so like me for
I
her.
stopped her
I could-
with my flashlight.
I could do, and we also... Hey, hang on 1 second. Wait a minute, wait. Hey, look.
You know I'm a Snow Isle resident?
Yeah, you're embarrassing yourself. Stop.
No, I'm not embarrassing myself. I'm a f***ing mom on Snow Isle, and you guys f***ing arrested me, pepper sprayed me 3 times. Do you want to see my boobs too? What are you guys doing?
Female loves to start.
You're weirdos.
Do you have anything new, bro?
No.
Just turn around. There you go.
This is so disgusting. I literally live on Eden Isle at 425.
Hey, ma'am, let me tell you this. This officer checks his car before and after his shift, before and after when it gets inside, all right? You're the first person in this car for this shift. There's nothing in the car. Do you have anything
I
on
have
you?
fingernails in your car.
Okay.
Yes, because I'm sorry for my...
Oh, you're not going to get those back.
What, my shoes?
No, your fingernails.
No, I wasn't trying to. I was just letting him know it's weird. I would have vacuumed it out for him.
Okay.
Are you taking my new Nikes off?
Yeah, slip them off.
What?
Slip them off.
Oh my god, you guys are f***ing... This is disgusting.
Have a seat, okay?
There you go.
Where?
Right
In your
here.
car. Put your
left foot
bottom.
up.
There you go. Now put your...
You guys can pick me up. I don't know what the f*** you want.
Listen.
I can't follow directions when I can't see.
Step up. There you go. Put your butt on the thing. Up a little bit more. You can feel it. I know you can. Ma'am. Stand up. Okay. Go back a little bit. Scooch back. The seat is right there. Up
Where are we going?
in the car. You're putting your foot in the car, please. You're good. Just go on your side.
Are you gonna pepper spray me again?
If you act up, I will.
Just sit back.
I'm trying not to. I'm trying.
You pepper sprayed me twice.
Yes, because you don't know how to act. Put your foot in the car. Oh. I got you. You good?
Somehow it closed on me.
Now put your foot in. There you go. Thank you, ma'am. Here, I'm gonna buckle you in. Behave
Why would you do that?
Because you're not behaving yourself. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna ask you again.
I don't know.
Your car's gonna get towed, right? They're gonna do an inventory. search
Can
of the
my
car.
ex go get the car? Please?
He's not answering the phone.
Can I give you another number? Please?
The tow truck is on the way. We gave you the opportunity before. They called the number. He's not answering. So the sergeant's going to do a inventory search of the vehicle. Is there anything of value in there?
No, there's a bunch of trash. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
I don't think there's value.
This Snell Isle resident found out the hard way that a $3 million house doesn't come with a license to endanger the public. The 38-year-old driver was booked into the county jail on a laundry list of charges, including 2 felony counts of fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and leaving the scene of a crash. It looks like this Thanksgiving, she'll be trading her mansion for a jail cell.
Thank you for watching CopCam Nation. Be sure to like and subscribe for more juicy content.